Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on my daily driver. This channel's mainly going to be about the Camaro, but every now and then I'll do some maintenance on this truck here. It's a 2018 Chevy Colorado with the Z71 package. I bought it new. It's going on 3 years old now. Probably won't be doing any modifications to it on the channel. I pretty well got everything done that I want done. I got some different wheels. Mind you, they're just for winter. I use the stock wheels for summer. And I got vent visors. I got a dash cam. And there's also a dash cam in the back, in the back window. And I got the tonneau cover. Inside, the only thing I got is LEDs. All the lights are switched over to LEDs. And anyone that has one of these trucks knows that the headlights are pretty bad. It's got 56,000 kilometers on it. And I replaced the headlights with LEDs because the factory headlights are pretty bad. Other than that, that's about it. Like I say, I probably won't be doing anything in the way of modifications, but I'll probably film some of the maintenance that I do on the truck through the summer. If there's interest in the truck, well, I could do something, I guess, but other than that, I just wanted to show you what I drive on a daily basis. And thanks for watching. And if you don't mind, it'd be nice if you hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Other than that, I guess I'll catch you in the next one.